Force between multiple charges. Coulomb's law is useful for calculation of force between two charges separated by some distance. What if there exist more than two charges? Well, Coulomb's law alone is not sufficient to find net force on a charge due to other charges. During experimental study, it was found that net force on a charge is the vector sum of all the forces acting on that charge due to other charges taken one at a time. This is called principle of superposition. Suppose there are three charges Q1, Q2, Q3. Force on Q1 due to Q2 ignoring the effect of Q3 is F12 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 into Q2 upon R12 square into R12 cap. Similarly, force on Q1 due to Q3 ignoring the effect of Q2 is F13 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 into Q3 upon R13 square into R13 cap. The total force F1 on Q1 due to Q2 and Q3 is F1 equal to F12 plus F13. Therefore, F1 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 into Q2 upon R12 square into R12 cap plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 into Q3 upon R13 square into R13 cap. In general, if there are Q1, Q2 up to Qn charges, then force on Q1 is F1 equal to F12 plus F13 up to F1n, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into bracket Q1 Q2 upon R12 square into R12 cap plus Q1 Q3 upon R13 square into R13 cap plus up to Q1 Qn upon R1n square into R1n cap, which can also be written as F1 equal to Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 summation Qi upon R1i square into R1i cap, where I ranges from 2 to n. Vector sum is usually obtained by parallelogram law of vector addition. Dear students, all of electrostatics is basically a consequence of Coulomb's law and the superposition principle. Steps to solve the problem on Coulomb's law. Obtain position vectors of the points where the charges are located. Step 2. Obtain unit vector along the straight line joining the two charges, directing towards the charge on which force is to be calculated. Step 3. Using Coulomb's law, express force exerted on the charge in vector form. Step 4. Repeat same if more number of charges are present. Step 5. Using superposition principle, find the total force on the charge by vector sum of all forces.